So I was basically done. I've got this replacement thing. We're going to see whether it even works in a moment. Heat gun or hairdryer. So I've actually taken the screen off by heating it up and slowly but slowly using my penknife and the other tools I've got here, a little bit of wood and whatever, to kind of pull it away slowly without trying to not smash the screen at the same time. Now I've got to go around the edge of the actual box, and as I go around that very, very slowly with this, it starts to kind of pop away. So I'm going to get in there. Let's just see if I can show you what I'm doing. And you can start to see just there the little clips. So as I get around to them, they're starting to pop away ever so slightly. And the back is starting to become separated. So I'm going to turn off the video for a moment while I just complete that.